So octopus are mollusks that have eyes very similar to those of the mammals. Similar, eyes similar, okay? Octopus and mammals are not closely related at all, okay? But how come their eyes are similar? Octopus and mammals have lenses that can change shape to focus on objects. So this is a similarity between them. Okay, they can know objects of different distances. So they ask you to suggest reasons why octopuses and mammals have evolved to have similar eye structure. So very easy, isn't it? So we are saying that, okay, because of natural selection, they have got similar eye structure. So that means this eye structure they're talking about has got selective advantage. So this phenotype here is the favorable phenotype. So that means it's coded by favorable genotype and favorable allele. So therefore, they are selected to reproduce and survive, right? So what select goes feature is actually the selection pressure. So if the same structure is being selected, it must be the same selection pressure that select them. So that means to say, even though mammals on the land and octopus on the in the sea, they have got different environmental conditions, but they have a same selection pressure that leads to the same structure being selected because it allows them to survive and reproduce. Remember, whatever feature that's been selected by the selection pressure is because they allow them to survive and reproduce. So what is the reason that the mammals have evolved with similar eye structure? So this question is 2 marks. So based on the basic knowledge that you have learned from the theory, you just have to write from your theory, you will get the full marks, okay? So why have they evolved to have got similar structure? Because they have similar selection pressure, right? Or what is the selection pressure you want to talk about? Is the light condition. The light condition in the place that they survive, they have similar light condition. So therefore, the eye will evolve in such a way that they're able to see clearly in those kind of light condition. So when those eyes develop, they allow them to survive better, right? So those eyes structure can allow them to, it's an adaptation to survive. Adaptation to the environment means can survive better. So can survive better, you cannot just write can survive better because the question didn't ask you for the pure theory. The question asks you with this particular scenario. So your answer must be specific to the scenario that the question has given. So what do you mean by survive better here? You have to elaborate. Survive better here means to say that maybe it allows the organism to find food because you can see the food better. So you can see, you can find, and you can capture the food better. And also allow the organism to escape the predators, so they can see predators clearly and quickly hide or swim away from the predators. Okay, so basically these are the answers that you will be able to write. So 2 marks. Okay.